This is the care package from Dennis. Doodlebug. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. Alright, box number 1. Let's see what we got inside today. Oh man, we got some components. Oh my. Open it up. Oh my. We got a horn. Down into the package 1. Box 1, package 1. Oh my goodness. Klaxon horn. What a find. This is good stuff right here. Oh yeah. Alright, set that aside right there. So I should say 2 emblems. There we go. Almost there. Alright, here we go. Package number 2. Long and skinny. So we got some nice, shiny, awesome emblems. Just some tape. Try to get to them. There we go. Oh yeah. Big job. Yes sir, 2 of them. Let's see what else we got here. 2 more. We got 2 special emblems to go along with our There we go. 2 special emblems. Go along with our big job emblems. Alright. Alright, here we go. Signal Spotlight. Biggest package so far. Oh my goodness sakes. Wow. That is gonna look good. Oh yeah. Oh man. Sweet. Alright, there we go. Sit that there. Alright. Here's our double signal. Open that up again there. Oh my goodness. That's pretty sweet. Oh, nice. Alright. Whoa. Wow. That is some stuff right there. That is gonna look good on the back. My goodness. Don't see stuff like that anymore. That's pretty awesome. Oh. Oh. We got a single turn signal. Alright, here we go. Got another double signal. Awesome. Good stuff. Alright, I think that was the first box, first care package. Now we're on to the big one. Alright, here we go.
Right, let's get open.
Box one down. The big box yet to come. Let's see what we got. Oh. Got an envelope. Oh. That's pretty cool. Got my own receipt. That's awesome. Alright. Set that there. Got a magazine. Got some stickers. Business card. Awesome, awesome. Alright. Let's open up our packages. See what we got. Woo-woo! Got the merch. Gonna wear it to school. Show my friends what's what. Oh yeah. Got the good stuff. Not one, but 2 t-shirts. Awesome, awesome. We're going with the big one. We're going with the big package. Let's take it off and see what we got here. Make some room for all my awesome new items. Also, piece of merch. Yeah, I know. Here we go. Digging right in. First layer. Down. I'll be careful. Second layer. Down. Oh my goodness. Good heavens. Sakes. That's every bit of 11 inches right there. Oh, he's even got a big piece of foam on the back side of it. Ready? Alright, here we go. The last final layers. I can just about pull it out of here. Let's go. This is what it's all about, folks. Alright, alright, here we go. Last couple pieces of tape. I think we've made it. Taking it. Oh, there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. Got the swivel. Got the handle. Oh yeah. Swivel on the joint. That is some serious
Oh, here we go.
awesomeness right
Last
there.
package.
In the last box. Final. I honestly have no idea what this is, so it's going to be exciting. And get open. What the heck? I didn't know this. Oh, here it comes. Is this a massive horn? Oh, wow. Good heavens. That is ridiculously awesome. Holy cow. Goodness gracious. Wow. Thanks so much, Dennis. This stuff is beyond anything I thought I would ever get towards this project. It's going to go to great use. I'm going to do my best, and it's going to look awesome. It's going to drive awesome. And truly a blessing, all the stuff that you did. You made a 17-year-old boy really happy today. So, thank you for everything, and see ya.